Welcome guys, today I am with the Huawei Freebuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So we got two different ways. The first one by using the standard Bluetooth settings, and the second one by using this Huawei AI Live application, where we'll be able to use more features of this earbuds. I'm going to show you both ways, so let's start from the first one, the standard one. So let's open the Bluetooth settings on your Android smartphone. You can make it by using this notification panel. Okay, it's some kind of the weird notification, never mind. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and right now you have to grab the case, open it. As you can see, when the indicator is on the green, it means that they are charged and we can move to the pairing process. So right now you have to rotate your case like that, and on this place, let me just catch focus. Right here we can find the button. As you can see, we have to click and hold this button until this indicator inside starts blinking on the white. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it, take a look on the indicator. As you can see, it's blinking. So right now we can release that button. Put that case right here, close to your phone, but do not close it. As you can see, after a few seconds, we will get our earbuds on the list. But if you still don't have them right here, just power off the Bluetooth and power on it back. And after that, they will be for 100%. So tap on them once, and you have to accept the pairing request by tapping right here. Now just wait a little bit, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. We can open the settings, and as you can see you can find here additional options with the Bluetooth settings. Of course, in the Huawei and the Honor phones you will get more options than on the other Android smartphones. But just to be sure that everything is fine, be sure that call audio, media audio is enabled, so you will be able to make calls and listen to your songs by using these earbuds. Okay, so that was the first step. The second one will be by using the Huawei AI Live application. So open the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type AI Live. Go for the search. Of course, you have to be connected to the mobile data or the Wi-Fi. You have to get this application, the Huawei AI Live. Click install. And right now, just be patient and wait until the application will be downloaded on your phone. Okay, right now we can open this application, so tap open. At first we have to choose the region. And there's some note about the lock screen password. I'm gonna cancel, I don't need to enable this feature. Okay, never mind, just click continue. Right now click next. Agree all of these notifications, these permissions. So yeah, and as you can see, when you download this application, we will be able to get the latest version of this app. So you have to update, because when you try to connect this earbuds to this version of the application, you will be not able to make it. So remember to update this app right now. Click right here. That's the most important thing when you want to use this Freebuds with the AI Live application. Just get the latest update. Okay, right now tap on the settings. Click to allow install this application from external source. Tap install. And right now, when you get this notification that app was installed, you have to tap open. And right now we have to make the same, so go for the first setup of the application. And this second application you can delete from your phone, you can just get rid of that. So yeah, let's go, let's choose our region. Let's continue, click next, agree, and accept all the permissions. And as you can see right now, when we get this application, and don't delete the previous connection between our Bluetooth settings and the earbuds, we will be able to already use this earbuds. So we don't even have to add them right here, because they will be. Okay, there is some auto update plug over the Wi-Fi. We can enable this feature. It will be some kind of the update probably, so just wait. And of course, if you don't have them here already, I'm gonna also show you how to add them right here, so don't worry. Okay, as you can see, the plugin was downloaded. Right now we can find the battery level and we can finally use our earbuds. As you can see, there it is. We are successfully connected with the application. We can, for example, adjust the noise control. We can switch the sound equalizer. We can, for example, make the tip fit test or go for the settings and enable, for example, the smart wear detection. So yeah, that's how you can connect this earbuds to your Android phone. Of course, just take a look. We're gonna remove them from the application. Yeah, let's remove the device. And if you don't have them right here, like in my case, all you have to do, you have to click right here on the plus in the right upper corner. Right now, our smartphone, basically the application is looking for nearby devices. So we can take a look if the connection is still here. No, it's not. So you have to move them to the pairing mode for another time. Use this button on this right side. Click and hold it until the indicator starts blinking. There it is. Put the case back, don't close it, and then tap to scan again. Okay, and as you can see right now they appears, so we can connect them. Yeah, we can pair. And there it is. So guys, I think that's the complete guide how to correctly pair this Huawei Freebuds Pro 2 with your Android smartphone. I show you how to make it by using the standard Bluetooth settings. I also show you how to link them with the application when they are already here and when they are not. So yeah, that's all. That's how you can make it. Of course, if you are looking for any other tutorial with this Huawei Freebuds Pro 2, just check it out on our YouTube channel, because we got over 30 different videos. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.